Did you know that scientists spend as much of half of their workday engaged in various kinds of literacy activities, including reading, writing, and communicating? It's no wonder then that a framework for K-12 science education, the next generation science standards, and the Common Core all outline that students should be able to read, analyze, and evaluate different kinds of science texts by the time they graduate from high school. This means that we, as science teachers, need to incorporate reading into day-to-day instruction, and it also means that we need to teach our students how to read different kinds of science texts. You might be wondering, how can I get started? In our article, Read Like a Scientist, we use 3 texts about global climate change to describe how you can use explicit instruction to teach your students how to read critically and with purpose popular texts, science textbooks, and primary scientific literature. Each of these text types was written with a particular purpose and audience in mind and has unique textual features. Popular texts, like, say, a magazine article or a newspaper or an online resource, take science content and make it accessible for the non-scientists. A science textbook is written to inform, describe, define, and explain patterns, and also to help students construct science conceptual understandings. Scientists use primary scientific literature, like a journal article, to share their findings and ideas with other scientists. In this article, we provide a set of strategic questions for each text type that will help your students to identify and understand science ideas that they then in turn can use to better understand real-world science phenomena. With your guidance, these strategic questions will help students to read and understand texts and empower you to use a variety of different texts to support student learning. Let's get reading!